Hi folks, I want to show you real quick how to do the first 4 steps of the chapter 3 homework. The first thing you're going to do is open up your project. And that is going to be Pacific Northwest Hazards. Open up that file. Give it a minute to open. All right. So we're going to go in here to the Insert tab. And where it says the project group, we're going to hit the little arrow on new layout, and we're going to choose 8.5 by 11 landscape, just a regular size sheet of printer paper. Okie dokie. And we're going to go in here and change the name to hazards layout. There we go. And you can see that there are different icons here that you can play with, but we want to list by drawing order. And up here in the insert ribbon, there are several different things that you can put in: map frames, map surrounds, text, and we're going to get to all of that as we go through this course. All right, that's step 1. For step 2, we're going to go to the layout ribbon over here and look at all of this stuff that's on here. You can, there's a lot of fun things that you can do in ArcGIS Pro. Here in the show group, we should have rulers and guides checked. But we don't have anything on the layout yet because we need to make that. So on the top horizontal ruler, we're going to put our cursor at about 3/4 of an inch. And we're going to right click that and choose Add Guide, singular. And that adds a guide there. But if you zoom in, you'll notice that it's not always exactly 3/4 of an inch. It's often off a little bit. Zoom back out. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click that and we're going to hit Remove Guide. Instead, we're going to go up here and we're going to hit Add Guides Plural. And we want them to be both horizontal and vertical. And we want it to be offset from the edge by 0.75 inches. So we'll hit OK, and voila, it made us guides. Yay! So that is step 2 that we just did. And oops, I guess it's also step 3. So step 4 is where people often ask me questions. So we're going to go over here to Insert, and where it says Map Frame, we're going to hit that drop-down arrow, and we want the second option here under the hazards. Click that, and what we're going to do is put in a box that covers 2/3 of the page with edges on the margin guides. So that goes over here. See how these just kind of highlighted and went all dashed? And that's roughly 2/3, yeah. And there's our map frame. So we're going to go in here and we're going to rename that Hazards Map Frame. And that's the first 4 steps. I hope that helps. And if you have any more questions, please let me know. All right, good luck, everybody.